What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be installing throttle spacers to eliminate the throttle slack on the Panigale V4R. So here it is. It's from Ducati Spacers. It comes with a nice installation guide, step by step. It doesn't look too hard. I already skimmed through it. It's basically you open the shell of your throttle assembly here. And there's two locations there where you put the kind of like a shim. So it's a shim, so it kind of thickens the whatever that is, so that it fills in that slack. So that's basically the idea. So they give you it's like $30 or something like that. It gives you the bit that you need to remove the housing, as well as you need a Phillips head screwdriver. So I think that's all the tools you need. So we're gonna go ahead and crack this open and see what we have in there. Alright guys, so I've opened the housing. There's four bolts, two kinds, one Phillips and one star for the bit that they gave you. So you can see the part that you're gonna put the shims in is this part right here. That's the small one, and the big one is in this area. See if I can show you. That one. So this one right here. So you can see you kind of have to, that's why you loosen the whole housing so you can move it around. It's right here, not the one with the white. It's this one right here. That's the bigger one. And the other one, focus. This one is the smaller one on this side. So like this area right here. It's hard for me to do it one-handed. I don't have a tripod, but I'm gonna put the shims on and I'm gonna tell you guys how I did it. All right, you guys, here it is. With the shims installed. So essentially it just fills in the super small gap between the throttle tube here and the throttle assembly here. So basically this is separate. As you can see, if I can separate it, this one with the white lithium grease is the throttle tube, and this one is the throttle assembly gadget mechanism thing. So it basically just eliminate the whatever space there is that creates that what do you call that play. So now I'm gonna close all the housing up and tighten it up and see if it actually worked. So I think it's gonna work, but we'll see. And put this back together in the correct way too. So we are done. That took all of 2 minutes. Well, 3 minutes because I'm making this video. But here it is, guys. Look at this. No slack at all. No slack. No slack. That's actually feels more solid, to be honest. Like it feels much better when there's like, as soon as there's no give, like there's no slack anymore. So all but 2 minutes to install that Ducati spacer is like $30. So that slack never really bothered me. It was a 50-50 thing, but it was $30. Might as well try it. But I mean, I gotta say, having direct input kind of feels better than like something without and then it goes, that kind of thing. So it was kind of nicer. So there you go, $30. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you're looking to open this up, it's not scary at all. It's just basically spacers you put over a plastic molding and things like that, and it just fills in the gap. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.